Hi, everyone. I'm Becky from the Computer Workshop, and this month, November 2022, we are highlighting Kelly Blankenship, our administrative coordinator here at the Computer Workshop. Welcome, Kelly.
Hello. I've been at the computer workshop since February of 2021, so a little bit over a year.
Yeah, almost 3 coming up.
Mhm.
What are your roles and some responsibilities here?
So, here at the computer workshop, I am sort of like an administrative coordinator and I work on different projects. So, right now, my main project is updating and maintaining course inventory.
A big project.
Very big, yeah, very large and ongoing, but it's fun. So,
Cool, good. I bet it helps you learn too.
yes, learning something new every day.
What makes you proud to be a team member here at the Computer Workshop?
So, one of the biggest reasons that I came to TCW, the computer workshop, was the fact that it's a faith-based company. So, I really appreciate that about this company, the fact that it's a woman-owned and family-owned and operated company. I really appreciate that as well. It's a really unique dynamic to be a part of, and I'm really excited about it.
That's awesome. I love that too. It's so cool.
hmm
Kelly, what do you do in your time off outside of work?
So, outside of work, when I do have time outside of work, I mostly just spend time with family and friends. We go on a family vacation every summer, so I really look forward to that every year. Probably my favorite.
That's cool. Where do you go?
We usually go to the ocean, so probably like Ocean Isle, North Carolina is one of our favorite places to go. And we've been going there for a couple years now, so that's probably
Ah,
our number one spot.
that's cool. It's cool to go to the same spot every year because then you explore more and more.
Oh yeah, we find something new to go to every time, a new mini golf place. It's always fun.
Oh, that's cool, cool.
Yeah.
Do you have any nicknames that you go by?
I don't really have any good nicknames. Kelly is really just what do you make a nickname out of that for? I don't know, just Kelly. Uh, or Kel. When I was
Yeah.
younger, though, my nickname was Curly Sue because I looked a lot like Curly Sue. I had ringlet curls, and
Oh, that's so cute. I bet your
that was
family was disappointed when the curls went away.
yes, I was kind of sad too, and I ended up getting
Oh,
a perm to try and bring those curls back, but that perm didn't look the same.
I do. Most people I know, perms don't always turn out well,
No,
but I like your straight hair.
thank you.
Do you have any hidden talents that you'd want to share with us today?
Any hidden talents? Probably whistling. I'm pretty decent at whistling,
Oh
so
boy.
I would choose that,
Can
I
you give us
guess.
a little sample?
If it doesn't break the audio,
We'll try it.
I would whistle like a song, but we'll save that.
Okay, we'll record it at another time.
There we go.
What are some of your favorite quotes or mantras that you live by?
One of the top like mantras that I would say I live by is to treat others the way you want to be treated. I thoroughly live by that every day and truly believe in that.
I love it. That's great. Perfect. All right, Kelly. Well, thank you so much for telling us about you. Is there anything that you want to say to our audience today?
Really, I just want to put out there that I am new to the training industry and I've realized how expansive it is and how it is just no joke. And I'm impressed on a daily basis by the computer workshop and the team here. And they just make everything look like a breeze. And honestly, if I were out there looking for a training company, the computer workshop would be where I would want to go. So
How
that's my message
wonderful.
for the audience today.
That's Perfect. Well, again, Kelly, thank you so much for giving us your time and letting us spotlight you. You're very important to our team.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, that concludes this month's Team Member Spotlight. We'll see you next month.